Hello students, class 8 geography topic resources. I told students about the in previous lecture about the resources meaning and definition. Meaning and definition. So now students, let's start the topic natural source. What is natural source? Natural source student, it is any gift of nature, any gift of nature that satisfy human that satisfy human wants. It means it is any gift of given by the God, any nature, given by the nature that satisfy the human want, and that we want, such as heat and energy by the sun, soil for agriculture, land for agriculture and mega buildings, and types of business, type of work, type of livelihood, type of activities, doing type of activities for our livelihood, because all natural resources we have to need it, and all people have need it. So students, it is a gift of nature. Natural resource can be classified or categorized different types, such as natural resource, human resource and human made resource, and there are different types of natural resources students, and there are types of resources: natural resource, human resource and human made resource. Of here students, we obtain our needs, basic needs students, and starting primary needs like shelter, foods and clothes. These are our basic needs. So students, we obtain from our basic need our environment, and these basic needs we get from the environment, such as breathe, यानी अब एक जनरल भाषा में हमारी बेसिक्स क्या है? फूड, शेल्टर एंड हाउस, फूड, शेल्टर एंड क्लॉथ, बट इन अदर टाइप्स ऑफ सच एज वाटर टू ड्रिंक, सॉइल, यानी बेसिक नीड्स स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिक नीड्स water to drink, land or soil to grow crops, and these are our basic needs. These are our basic needs students. Of here students, in natural resource are very important for us. Natural resource are very important for us, because resources we have to, resources make our life possible and comfortable. Resources make our life possible and comfortable. Our resources development depends upon the knowledge of man. Resources depend upon the knowledge of man, his scientific treatment and his scientific treatment. किससे होते हैं? यानी our knowledge, किस पे? यानी our knowledge and scientific needs, scientific treatment and the level of technology. These are the development upon the, and if we have the technology, we can in positive way treatment and good thinking, then we can our development or country by the resources. Understand, human being create wealth out of the resources and make their lives prosperous. Any prosperous? Well developed your life. यानी बहुत अच्छे से अपनी लाइफ सेटल कर सकते हैं। इफ वी हैव यूज इन प्रॉपर वे resources, if we have resources we can use our resources, then we can develop our life. So yes students, in next topic we will study classification of the resources. So that's all students.